And ta-da, here. So we just popped one of those birthday party poppers, and there you have a happy birthday banner, and it's just all. I popped them for the decoration, the table and the chair, and I'll see you while I'm cutting the cake. Okay, so we are all set, and my family members, they don't like being in videos, and they just want privacy. So I don't think I'm going to upload any videos while doing the cake cutting and all. So I'm just going to show you the cake right now, and that's it. Just wish me luck. Ta-da! So there is the cake, chocolate cake, and I just put a little ribbon on the knife for fun. And there you go. I'll see you while making those gifts that I want for my gift box. Bye. Oh, I wanted to do the nice nail effect, but it became like this. So again, bye. Hi, welcome back. So it is 15th of August technically. So it is after 12. The celebrations are done. I have went out. I don't know how to put that in a phrase. Like, tell me the correct one. Comment down below how to form it into a sentence correctly. So I went out with my friends, and they gave me some cute stuff, and that I'm going to use for my YouTube studio kind of vibe that I'm going to create. That will be our next video, hopefully. And the celebrations are all done. I haven't recorded while we were celebrating, because it's such a nice friends moment or like family time. I couldn't just take out the camera, put it in front of their face and make them feel uncomfortable. So I haven't recorded that much, but I definitely have taken some very cute adorable pictures, and I have set my tripod right there, and it recorded the whole thing. So I'm going to see the whole video, go through the whole video and pause some nice candid bits, and I'm going to screenshot them. And my friends and my family, they are not that comfortable to come in front of the camera, so I won't force them, and I do respect their privacy. So I'm going to blur their faces, and I'm still going to show you what we have done and what were the celebrations. So now coming back to our gift portion video, here I have the table, I have my setup right here. So I'm trying to improve the background, so I'm just doing plain background with curtains and all that stuff. Hopefully very soon, once I create that YouTube studio kind of vibe, then hopefully I would shoot all my videos there. Let's see how that goes. Okay, yeah, I think that's good. So here, as you can see, just a minute. Yes. So here, as you can see, I have created many different kind of slips. And for example, to show you guys, see, here I have written some reasons. Okay, please bear with my handwritings. Here I have written some reasons of why I love myself. So here, like this, you have to write why you love your friends, why you like them or appreciate them or anything. So this is the age idea video. And as I told you, I have some envelopes, but still we are going to use this A4 size plain white sheet paper to create envelopes, and the color papers to write letters. You can do either ways, or you can just do it normally. So to create an envelope, what I'm doing is I'm folding an A4 sheet paper into half like this, and then what I'm doing is just folding the paper like this. Yeah, see, so folding the paper like this, just hardly half an inch to 1 inch, and then gluing it together. I'm going to show you along the way. Okay, so as you can see here, I have folded it halfway through like this. So I know it's technically my birthday is done, but I haven't really done this gift thing yet because I didn't have that much of time. But birthday month, birthday week, let's just enjoy. This gift box is going to last forever no matter when you do it. So I have put some glue, and I'm just going to stick it right here, and I'm going to repeat the same thing this side also. I will try to put the video in how do I say, fast speed. I will try to do that. I don't want to bore you guys. So so now these are kind of soggy and soft. Like the gum I have used here is the liquid one, not the Fevistick one. So it's going to be soggy, but it's going to be alright. So here is sealed. We have a pouch kind of thing like this. The sides are sealed. The place here is sealed. So what I'm going to do is just put the letters inside, and I'll show you. I am going to fold them like this, and I'm just going to put a plaster here, here and here to seal it. Now if you are creative and you want to do something good, now plaster them like this and add a flower here, or you can just cut this into shape like an M shape and do the typical message envelope kind of thing. You can do that also. So here I'm going to pause the video and I will see you after writing a couple of letters. Bye. Hey, so I am done with the videos. Now what I have done here is just made a like this. Just made a little decoration. I have put lines here and just done the margins. O for smiley, open when, and I put dot dot dot, and I'm going to seal it here. So it's going to be like this, like a little envelope message box. Now why I am doing this simple thing, I could have put stickers, I could have used color pencils, color pens, anything, and made it more heavy or more decorated, but I want you guys to see that it would still look good with just a blue pen and a black pen, nothing fancy. So this is what the envelope looks like, and I have wrote 2 letters, open when happy and open when sad. So I'm quickly going to read out these 2. They are just small, and I have something to tell you guys. So now anyone who is interested in knowing what this is, like I will be reading, it will be slow, or sorry, it will be fast and it would be hard to understand. So if anyone is interested in really reading them, then comment down below. I would definitely reply the whole thing what I have written in the letter. And also I have something to tell you, that is, if any one of you are willing to write a letter or just birthday wishes or any wishes to any of your friends, family or anyone, and you are struggling with forming the sentences or writing wishes, just comment down below and let me know what the occasion is, and I will definitely 100% help you in writing the wishes or just writing a whole big letter to them. I would definitely do that. I'd be more than happy to help you guys. So let me down, and now we will get to the letters. So I'm going to read the sad one now, so that we could end on a happy note. Yeah. So I've just put 4 side margins, and I have written a small letter. You can do how much big, how do I say? Yeah, more length as you want, more lengthy letter as you want. So I have written, hey self, I know you are sad and I can feel you, understand you completely, but I want you to remember that this is not the end of the world. I am with you. Just take a deep breath, cry your heart out, let go of the tears you are holding back, and calm down. Go hug your pinko or your pillow. Yeah, that's where when Telugu and English mixes. Okay, try to smile, try to be okay again, because you know the better time will come soon and you are going to be happy again. Never give up, love yourself. And I have written a little thank you, and I have put a little heart. So that's the open when you are sad letter. Now I'm going to read open when you are happy letter, and same, I have put margins and I have written here love, love, love. I don't think you are going to understand my handwriting, so comment down below and I will type you guys all of this. So I have written, hello, firstly pat on your back for being happy. I hope you stay the same forever. Now go grab something delicious to eat, or go cook something yummy to give our passion another chance. Now you look adorable. Put on some music and sing the hell out. Don't forget to dance secretly, and go give a big kissy to mama and back to your room for enjoying. See you, and love, love, love. So I wanted to create that joyous, happy vibe. Now also you can notice the difference while I'm reading the sad letter and the happy letter. That's the kind of vibe that I wanted to create. Now I'm just going to open the envelope and put my letters in here. Back to folding this, and I have my tape, and oopsie, it's always a struggle with tape for me. Also, I have noticed we have 2 to 3 new subscribers from last 1 to 2 days. Whoever it is, welcome to my channel. I'm really happy you are watching this right now. and thank you for everyone whoever is supporting me through sharing my content as a birthday gift or to support me or appreciate me. I really do appreciate your efforts. Thank you again. So here I've plastered it, and now whenever I want to read, this is like an envelope. I know there are letters in here. I have written open one. Whenever I'm sad or happy, I'm just going to take out the plaster, take out the letter that I want, and just read it out. Now you can do anything open when you're anxious, sad, happy, frustrated, curious, panic, excited, whatever you want. Now here for these cards, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a plain card on top, and I am going to write, where is my black pen, I love you for, because I have written the letters like I love you for this, I love you for that. Now when you're writing I like you for, I appreciate you for, you have to write that I love you for and dot 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 dot. So this will be the first opening letter, just for me to know that what I'm doing. Now I have this cute red ribbon that I'm going to tie this to the papers to make them look like a cute professional bunch. Now this is too width for me, too much of a width for me, so I'm just going to cut it in half. Also, I don't want to make the video too lengthy. The previous video, I know, sorry guys, that became too lengthy, 22 minutes. Also, many of you have watched. That is a pure surprise for me. Thank you so much for whoever doing this. Now, a knot, and so I'm just going to speed the process up. Yes, see, so I've put a knot, and I am going to put another knot like so, like this, to make it a cute pair. So I'm having a hard time tying this, and I don't want to increase the length, so I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so now this is done. I have tied it like this, it's cute, and I have my envelope. And what is that third one? I guess it's the map. I would be showing you some, yeah, third one is map. I would be showing you some references. And fourth one, while it comes to pills, I have made it for my sister, as I told you, and I will put it somewhere here or here while editing to show you what I meant when I meant like a jar, a chill pill jar. And the trees one, it's currently midnight now, around 1 or 1:30, so I can't plant now, but I will definitely try to plant tomorrow morning, and I will try to record that. And that is done for this video. Also for letters, I'm going to I will try to make another part for like purely for my gift videos, not including any birthday celebrations, vlog, or anything else. And final message to everyone whoever wished and supported, thank you so much. You really made my day, and I'm super happy. And welcome to our new subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let them know and bring back the memories, how you celebrated and what you celebrated. And let me know what else videos you want me to do and what you want to see. And that's it for the video. I will add a couple of pictures right after this or while here, just to show you how the day went. And that's it. Oh, just one thing I have forgot. I didn't wait. Hi, so I told you I wanted to do an unboxing experience and pack the things. So this is some, I don't know, we just save these boxes. So I have this Amazon box, and first I'm going to put my envelope right over here like this, and then my card set. And with this dress, I think this would match, so I bought this nail polish, new one, so I'm going to add this to here. And I have bought a set of these stainless steel straws. Now I am not promising or anything, because I know we all say promises or say things like I'm going to use these from now on. It's not like that, I know, and I'm lazy to sometimes carry these around, or sometimes I just forgot. But I think when I want to change, I have to take a step. So I think this is the first step I'm taking towards progress. and I have bought these, so I'm just going to add these in here. And these earrings for this dress and this finger ring that you are seeing, these also I bought today morning as a gift to myself. How do I show? Yeah, I guess this is more clear. This, so now I'm just going to add it now, but I have to put it. So here now when I seal this and when I open it, you have a beautiful box full of gifts like straws, nail polish, cards, envelope, everything. You can do as many things as you want. Now when you don't have the option to plant with them, you can just put seeds in a cover, pack that up, and put a cute sticker or write a cute note and add it in here. A pair of earrings, a finger ring. Now boys, if you are doing, you can just add in a watch or a bracelet that you guys would wear, or some pair of shoes or anything that you guys like to do. Now this is the gift box idea video come my birthday vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video, hopefully creating a YouTube studio kind of thing, or books review part 2, or many of my friends are requesting me how I talk in English, like without using any Telugu words or any other words. So I am going to give you some tips about how I learned some information. Maybe that one of these 3 videos will be out after this one. I really hope you like. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thumbs up. Bye.